It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
Hi, I'm Chris, and this is my 2016 Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. Alfa Romeo was conceived in 1906 by a Frenchman, and 110 years later, they made this beauty. This car is all carbon fiber, the chassis and a lot of the components. It has a mid-engine, a mid-mounted 4-cylinder turbo producing 237 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds of torque. That gets it to 60 in a little over 4 seconds, all due to its being lightweight. Weighs about as much as that Miata over there. This trunk is very small, so you're not going on a road trip in this thing, unless you're crazy. Interior is equally small. It has a cold AC, thank God, because I'm in Texas. It has a digital dash. It has a dual clutch automated manual 6-speed transmission that works pretty well. Paddle shifters are cool. It has upgraded rims, 19-inch, Brembo brakes. It's a fun car to drive. It won't help you score with the opposite sex, but it can't hurt. Thank you very much.
Hey everybody, this is my 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Before I go over the specifications of this Super Beetle, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about its story. So when I got it, it didn't drive or stop or run for that matter. To get it to run, I just cleaned the carburetor and cleaned the points out. To get it to move, I had to replace the back left axle, which had tore itself apart. To get it to stop, I just needed to replace the rear brake line. Also, when I got it, the floor pans were completely rusted through, which I will show you in a picture, and the running boards were as well. The last thing you should know about this Beetle is that the rear fenders were cut by the previous owner to fit the Chevrolet rims the previous owner used to race through the sand. So you can see it's cut just around there. I plan on buying new fenders. Go ahead and take a look at the interior, right in there. See that it's mainly original apart from this aftermarket cheap radio. I bought a carpet kit for it, which I haven't installed yet, so the floors are still metal. Still looks a little ugly in there. Back here is the engine, which is a 1600cc liquid cooled engine. All right, so let me just go and start her up for you. Hey, thanks for watching my car versus car entry.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember, to have your car shown here and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.